Want to turn written text into realistic AI speech? ElevenLabs makes it easy to convert articles, scripts, blog posts, and other text into natural-sounding voiceovers for videos, podcasts, audiobooks, and presentations. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to convert text to speech in ElevenLabs in 2026. First, open ElevenLabs in your web browser and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one before continuing. After signing in, open the text-to-speech section from the dashboard. This is where you'll create AI-generated speech from your written content. Type your text directly into the editor or paste an existing script. Using clear punctuation and properly structured sentences usually helps the AI produce more natural and expressive speech. Select a voice from the available voice library. You can preview different voices and choose one that best fits your project, whether it's a narration, tutorial, commercial, audiobook, or podcast. Click the Generate button and wait a few moments while ElevenLabs converts your text into speech. Listen to the generated audio, then make adjustments to the text or voice settings if you'd like to improve the final result. Once you're satisfied with the voiceover, download the audio file or save it to your project. You can then use it in videos, presentations, podcasts, audiobooks, or other creative content while following ElevenLabs licensing terms. And that's how to convert text to speech in ElevenLabs in 2026. With realistic AI voices and simple customization options, you can quickly create professional quality voiceovers for almost any project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.